I think Bookmap just killed my PC. So, sorry guys. I should be back now. You guys should have me. He's back. Hey. Jesus. Okay, Bookmap did not like that. It just destroyed OBS. Absolutely just destroyed it. What's up? I'm back. All right. We're not running OBS tonight until I figure out... we're not running Bookmap until I figure out what's going on there. So, when I had it loaded before, it crashed the stream, and then I rebooted the PC, and then I came back in, I got it all up and running again. I loaded Bookmap straight off the bat, and then while the stream was while OBS was trying to connect to YouTube, it just crashed again and was like, nah, I can't do this. So, something's going on with Bookmap. So, I've just loaded everything again, and we're all operational, but no Bookmap. No Bookmappies. Just give me a sec. I need to check something else here. What's up, Josh? Yeah, Bookmap got me. Time for an upgrade. Gonna need some more money, mate, first. That's for sure. My Renos right now are chewing it with the bloody price of oil. Crikey. I still have this bug with my Asia High. I haven't sorted it. Sorry, guys. We need to go back to 2000. All right, we might have to rely on the Bookmap from the other streamers, today, in this stream, because mine's not working. All right, here's the first one for you. There is nothing on ES, and everything that was on the NASDAQ has been taken off. There's some weird 20 blocks in here, though. I really want to know what's going on with the CVD on the ES, because last night after we did, am I looking for shorts? I don't know. I gotta be honest, man. I don't know what I'm looking at. Look, if I had my choice here, I would probably not even trade at all, and I would probably not even stream, because after yesterday's wacko candlestick here, this is just put the market into a position where it wants to balance out that candle. So that's all we're doing is we're just balancing the candle out because it got so fucked up yesterday. So yes, shorts, in my opinion, probably are on play because we probably want to try and balance the rest of this out down here. It's just my guess. But this is not something that's a normal play. This is not normal trading, right? I mean, yeah, we have a 1 hour FVG there, but it's bloody tricky, man. It's tricky. You're right. You can look at this and say, oh, well, this is just a pullback, and then we go long again. Sure, I'm not discounting that at all. That's definitely an option. But yeah, we have another 3 hours to go. We got a brand new 4 hour candle with not much wick on the bottom, and there's a 4 hour FVG that it's trying to take out, but we're only 40 minutes in, so it's going to do what it wants to do. I don't know. Like, all I can really wait for my London trade, because this is my London trade, all I'm personally waiting for really is for Asia to be taken, but my Asia levels are wrong today. You need to ignore them. I need to manually draw them because I changed the time period on the indicator because we still have a week to go. So, but it's caused more problems than it has any good. So I think I've done the wrong thing. Theoretically, this is the Asia high. Jesus Christ. Right, that's your Asia high up there. Not this one. Should be getting run at 8 o'clock. I wouldn't keep trading too, Bunky. Not in this shit. Mate, that's great. What do you need? 2,500 or 3K? Free trading info and scope. I like it. Shane says I'm not planning on trading. No, like if I get my London break, yeah, sure, I'll take it. I'll take my London trade. I have to take my London trade. It might be there. It's just we're so far away from it. Like, we got to get to here or we got to get back to here. These are the two levels that I look for a trade. I'm not taking my trend continuation trades just for now. It's Murphy's Law. They're fucking playing out. Look at this. I'm pretty sure they are anyway. 2 o'clock. Oh, there's no... This is the last 15-minute FVG that we're holding. Suppose you could probably include that one. Then you go down to the 3-minute time frame, and you look for the first FVG on the 3-minute. Probably better if just turning the indicator on. It's easier. Theoretically, that's your first one. This little baby one right here. So you go long at the close of that candle. Stop loss down here. So the trend continuation trade's playing out today. That's your trend continuation trade. But yeah, with me coming here late, not wanting to take my trend continuation trades at the moment because I had some issues with them. I think I just picked a bad time to start trying them. Had like 3 losses in a row. That's pretty gnarly. So I think I might sit on anyway. The Apex, yeah. Oh, the manual lockout on Lucid. Very nice. Trems SMC. This is amazing. It's free. Yeah, man. I mean, like, I do have a paid membership section, but it's only if you really like everything that I do and that I'm going to be releasing this year. Then you can join it if you really want to. But yeah, I just live stream for free on here on YouTube. It's good fun. I like it. I want to be an influencer. I enjoy streaming on YouTube. I enjoy talking to people. It keeps me distracted. It keeps me a bit grounded. Stops me from doing dumb shit to a certain degree. I did dumb shit on Friday and blew my funded accounts. Lost 20 grand. It's probably not the funnest thing I've done, but it's all good. Probably won't be the last time either. Probably won't be the last. Thanks, dude. Feel free to smash the like button, guys, on this new video because the last one got tanked. Oh god, what is Quant Tower doing now? What is going on today? Do I have some omen going on with me with technology? Now my Quant Tower just died. The fuck is going on? Now it won't even load any data. Boys, this is bullshit. What the fuck is going on? Now I can't right click on the screen. What's going on? Yeah, I clicked something. I zoomed in and zoomed out on the chart and it full flipped out on me. Maybe, yeah, nah, it's full crashed. It's full crashed. Bear with me, boys. Fucking Jesus, what's going on tonight? What is going on? Alright, our Trader Pro's still working. I'm still logged in there, so that's good. Oh, I checked the contract? Yeah, I probably should have, eh? Oh, yeah, it's still loading H6s. Oh, you dude. You legend. But if it will let me click in the box. Right, there's a new version of Quant Tower. Maybe I should just download it. Alright, just downloading the new version. Alright, new version installed. Now I'm reloading. Sorry, SMC. We don't normally go through this. This is the first time ever, actually. I'm pretty sure that I've had a technical issue like this. All right, we're back. It's working. It's working. Oh, shit. Two Monkey says, take this as a sign. Take this as a sign. Do not trade. You don't use the DOM surface on Quant Tower? No. I've never found... Well, first of all, to use... I mean, correct me if I'm wrong here. Maybe it's changed. But 2 years ago... well, it is just Bookmap. Well, yeah. But don't you need level 2 data? I'd have to pay for level 2 data. Yeah? For free from AMP? Stuff you, bloody TP. Hey, look at you running around with free level 2 data. Damn, boy. Where's my level 2 data for free? Got to trade on AMP. Yeah, so Apex doesn't give it to you on Rhythmic. You have to pay an extra $40 a month to have access to it. Oh, yeah, CQG. Yeah, well, yeah, I don't have access to it, dude. I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to be with Quant Tower for. I'm going to be spawning up and using other prop firms, so in the next couple of weeks. And I think I want to do a little bit like what Nutty Bar does with his, and basically have like all your different ones just loaded on the screen so you guys can see them all the time. I'm pretty sure that's what I want to do. There's a lot of orders resting at 24,320 that have popped up. Oh, CVD on the NASDAQ is making higher high. Oh, whoa, okay. All right, forget about that. Jesus. I was going to say, there was something weird going on then. CVD was making higher highs and price was making lower highs. I was like, we are about to see something happen here. So here it is here. So CVD was making, price was making lower highs. CVD was making higher highs. I was getting squeezed, or lower lows, higher lows. Bit of divergence going on there. And then bang. Well, we're making a run straight for that Asia high. ES approaching value area low and previous week value area low. What price point is it at? $30.50? Alright, we're pretty well there now. So we can mark out our liquidity levels now because I finally loaded the other book map stream. So 66.75. All right. 6,700. So there's 200 orders at 75 and there's another 300 orders at 6,700. And then we have orders still below price, still down here at 65.50. They're slowly building, these ones here. So 30 and 34. Okay. Was that yesterday's value area low? Like the session low? Not the day low. I think I need to get rid of this 1 hour fair value gap. It's doing my head in. It's so dirty on the screen. I need to get rid of that trade from yesterday. Probably get rid of that PDL. Turn off the fair value gaps. And all right, we're back above the 50% range. And let's run your volume profile. Yeah, pretty close. Pretty close. Yeah, there's just no volume there. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah, like I have. You mark it like I have now. Hang on, just give me a sec. Sorry, I have to go look at something. All good. Yeah, just do the RTH. It'll be the same anyway. I don't know. Point of control went up a little bit more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we're coming into point of control from yesterday. Interesting. Oh, dog your head. I think we just might be going up here, guys. I think this might just be trending up. I don't really see any reason for this thing to reverse. Oh, actually. Looks like there's a whole bunch of orders actually resting at 33. So they're about to run for them. Sorry, boys. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog coughing, but it is what it is. All right, ignore the Asia high. If you're using my indicator right now, ignore the Asia high. I've still got the bug where I changed the time zone on it, and it hasn't changed back on me. I tried changing it, but it didn't work. So here comes the run for Asia high, which is 66.45. And from what I can see, it's going to take out some short-term liquidity here. Yep, bang, there it goes. Okay. All right, here we go. There is a big block sitting at 66.50. Yeah, which is just up here. Ollie bullish wall. Mm-hmm. Yep, she's just running. This is another one of those, you could have just pressed the buy button whenever you wanted, and you probably would have been okay. The old 15-minute trend continuation played out absolutely mint today. Do I see anything at 55? Not really. No. There's a little bit at 54, but not a lot. But there's quite a bit. There's 82 orders at 50. Oh, 455. Okay, so NQ. Let's have a look. I'll bring out that one up. No, nothing at 55, but the shitload at 460. Dude Monkey wants to let these trades run more. Depends, mate. They might get a bit fit and slim. You're so funny, Benny. On the tick chart, it looks like this is printing a very nice bull flag right here. Am I seeing that correctly? That looks crazy. Where's that? Is that the 1 hour? Oh no, that must be there. 23. Oh, that must be a 5 minute. Here we go. Alright, there it is there. There's an accumulation here. And then I can see it up here on the on their chart on Bookmap. So there's the distribution leg. All right, we got our high break. Yeah, did anyone take the continuation long? I know Third did. Or Taher in Discord. He took it. It's almost at his TP. Well done to him. So he took it off of a 5 minute and a 1 minute IFVG. That's pretty good, dude. I don't know, like, what's wrong with that trade? That's a great trade. I wouldn't be disappointed with that. What'd you say? You got out of 95. Dude, that's sick. Like, you didn't really know this was going to happen, right? Like, that's, I mean, there's an FVG here. There's another one here. There's another one here. Like, this could Could have easily just rolled over where it was. I think that's a great trade. Well done. That's good. Big pat on the back on that one, dude. GG. Here comes a 4-hour high. Oh, we got an SMT. We have an SMT. Just care there. 665250. Yeah, we have an SMT. It's only a NASDAQ SMT though. Oversizing. Yeah, it's one of the most annoyingest things ever, isn't it? When it's going in your favor, you're like, yeah, sick. And then when it goes against you, you're like, I'm a dickhead. Did you get the account 4K off stream? I did it on, I did it with, oh shit, who were the boys that were in with me last night? There was only 5 of us in there. There was Matt, Ken Frenzo, and who was I talking to for pretty well majority of it? Oh shit. Tough Luck, and then I think Zeno came in for a little bit as well. Yeah, Zeno came in. So we did a private stream for the Trading Pod Pro guys, and yeah, we traded the first like half an hour of New York Open. Lord Tube Monkey, get your facts right, mate. Get your facts right. Yeah, that's right. Oh, your name in Discord is Max, Dude Monkey. Ah, radio. Sick, Turbo. I'm looking forward to it, man. We will do it. No more SMT, guys. SMT's gone. Dude Monkey, you can, just so you know, like you can change your name in Discords, or anyone who doesn't know this, you can change your name in Discord, like just in the server that you're part of, right? So like if you're part of my Discord channel, you can just change it to your YouTube name if you want, and then that way I know who it is. If you're getting sick of me going, who the hell are you? But then you're like, dude, I talk to you every day. Lol, Zeno. Nah, I gotta be honest, man. I don't really see a reversal here anytime soon. I was hoping we would. There's some pretty heavy orders now resting. They've just come in 2 minutes ago. 374 orders at 520. Actually, it might not be 370, sorry. Might be only 40 or so. That doesn't make any sense that it would be that high. Yeah, nah, I think it's... Oh, there you go. It just refreshed. Is that 55 or 33? Mate, I can't. Buddy Boomer over here. I can't read anymore. All right, 35. 35. 35. $35 orders at 24 by 20. Oh, look at this. Friday Valley area high. Oh, is that? Yeah, that's what we were looking at before. Yeah, yeah. So it just changes it just in that Discord server, not in the others. So in every other one that you're in, it'll just stay the same. So you can kind of customize it for each channel one, every one you go into. Taher would be out of his trade now. He would have taken full profit now. GG. Well done, TZ. Dude, well done. That's sick. The old trend continuation trade. Beautiful today. Would have been nice for me to have been awake and alert and not have technical issues, to have probably jumped on that. It would have been good. Well, do, monkey. I only donate on the Fridays. Oh, shit. This is what happens when you're like tired and not like alert or anything. I can feel it creeping in, the boredom of it, and going, oh, I should just take a trade because I just should, like, because I'm bored. Like, I can feel it creeping in on me. It's weird. It's so weird. Like, I can feel it. I see where people go. Like, I mean, obviously, I'm not saying I wasn't like this before, but definitely, yeah, like it's real. It's a thing. It does exist. It does exist. For me to even be interested in a trade here, I want to see a higher low form here. And then basically break of structure or lower high break of structure. That's what I need. Nah, London is still in their daylight saving period, mate. So, another 30 minutes for London. But if you have a look at the volume's still not too bad. So I've been keeping an eye on the volume. It's there's still a lot of traders just coming in at 3 o'clock to trade anyway. Probably algos as well. Algos and bots are all just programmed to just come in at 3 o'clock. I'm getting a feeling that they just don't care. Yeah, I just get a feeling that even though it's 3 weeks, that they go to 4 o'clock before London switch back. I just get a feeling that like it just doesn't really matter too much. I tried backtesting it as much as I could, and I flagged all my trades that were inside of that 3 week window. I think I had like one extra loss or something in over like 2.5 years by just like in each periodical season of the time change, which is like 3 weeks. And I was just like, whatever. I'm not going to filter out trades just because there's one loss in a year. Because that's just only in the last 2 years. Who knows? It might be next one might be a winner, you know? Oh, shit, boys. Struggling here. I'm trying my hardest here. Well, yeah, there's a 15-minute fair value gap here. We can try and consider a long off the 15-minute FVG. It's about to form in a sec. I mean, it makes sense we want to tap this this high from yesterday. I'd love to load bookmap and see what's up there. I reckon there's going to be a shitload of orders here at 67.50, but no one's showing up that high. I don't think, anyway. Yeah, even that one's not